Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, your bank account just doesn't seem to grow? Well, you're not alone. In fact, you might be stuck in one of 5 money traps that are silently draining your wealth. But here's the good news. You can escape them. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to break free and start building the wealth you deserve. We've all been there. You work hard, you get paid, but somehow your bank account never quite reflects your efforts. It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage it? Trap 1. Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise or promotion, and instead of saving or investing it, you end up upgrading your car, your apartment, your wardrobe. Sound familiar? It's the easiest trap to fall into, and it's silently eating away at your wealth. It's a vicious cycle of never-ending upgrades. So, what's the escape plan? Start living below your means. Don't let that extra income go straight into your lifestyle fund. Instead, put it towards savings and investments. The key is to resist the urge to keep up with the Joneses. You're playing the long game. Trap 2. High interest debt. Credit cards, payday loans, those quick cash solutions. They look harmless at first, right? But by the time you realize it, you're drowning in interest payments. Here's the truth. Those interest fees aren't just numbers, they're silently stealing your future wealth. The escape? Pay off your high interest debt as soon as possible. Start with the highest interest ones first. And no, ignoring them won't make them go away. They'll grow, and so will your financial stress. Trap 3. Overpaying for convenience. That $10 coffee every morning, the food delivery that costs 3 times as much as cooking, or the subscription services you forget to cancel. It adds up, and before you know it, you're losing hundreds, maybe even thousands, every year. I get it. Who wants to cook when you can just tap your phone and have food delivered in 20 minutes? But here's the thing. Those small convenient purchases are adding up, and they're turning into an expensive lifestyle. Cut back where you can. Cook at home, limit your subscriptions, and make smarter choices. Saving these small amounts will give you more power to invest and build wealth. Trap 4. Not leveraging investments. Many people think that keeping their money in a savings account is the safest option. But did you know that your money is actually losing value due to inflation? It's like putting your wealth in a hole and watching it slowly disappear. The escape here is simple. Start investing. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or even index funds, put your money to work for you. Your money should be growing, not sitting idle. Trap 5. Failing to plan for the future. You're busy enjoying the present moment. Who isn't? But the future comes fast, and if you're not prepared, it'll be too late to catch up. Not saving for retirement or planning for future expenses is the biggest trap of them all. But here's the thing. You don't need to be 60 to start thinking about retirement. The earlier you start, the better. So now you know the traps, but here's the most important thing: how to escape them. The first step is awareness. Recognize where you're slipping and take immediate action. Whether it's cutting down on debt, reducing unnecessary spending, or starting to invest, your future self will thank you. Financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a choice. Start today, and in just a few months, you'll be in a completely different financial position. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join me on the journey. And don't forget to leave a comment below about which money trap you're going to escape first. Your path to wealth starts now.